Hi guys, this is Dobby here, and today I will be unboxing some of the best kitchenware and cookware to own right now. You know, the holy grail of cookware and kitchenware to own right now. And it is from Le Creuset. Okay, so don't know Le Creuset? Where have you been? Okay, let me give you an insight on this company. Now, Le Creuset is a premium French cookware manufacturer best known for its colorfully enameled cast iron cookware and French oven. Oh, it came with a note. It says, "Dear Dobby, color your kitchen with Le Creuset, now shipping to Nigeria via www.lecreuset.co.za." They make many other types of cookware and bakeware, from fondue sets to tangines. Now, before now, you have to cutting through the corners, instead of going directly to buy these pots or this cookware. But now they do it directly from South Africa. Like, for real? This is so nice. Okay, let's get right into unboxing this. So I'll show you what it looks like on the inside. Now, the first thing I will be unboxing is the rectangular heritage dish. It's stoneware that can be used in cooking, in baking, actually just baking. You can use it in your oven. As long as it goes into the oven, yeah, you can use it. It's a stoneware and nothing will happen to it. You can just cook up anything in it. Okay, so let me unwrap this to show you what it looks like on the inside. Okay, so just give me a minute. So it came in this brown box, and let's see how it looks like on the inside. It's not that heavy. It's more or less like ceramic, which is really cool. So I will be baking with that. Next, I will be unboxing the oval spoon rests as well as their apron. Now, you know the spoon rest, like when you're cooking and you put the spoon in the pot and you mix, and you need to place it on something. This would be perfect for it. Then the apron, apron. You actually need an apron for all these things, so splatters and everything wouldn't soil your dress. So let's see what it looks like. Yeah, it's blue in color and brown. And then this is the spoon rest. This will be put to good use in my kitchen. Yeah, so let me try it on. I think this is just really nice. It's like a size that fits all. So, and it has a pocket which would contain anything, just about anything you want to put in it. It's quite big. Next is the deep frying pan. It's deep. Okay, so this is a non-stick pan. So it comes with a manual, and this is so nice. It's not that heavy. Okay, it's a toughened non-stick frying pan, which you can use to fry just about anything and even cook. Next is the 3-piece set. Okay, so let me show you what it looks like on the inside. Ooh, I need to get this wrap off first. Okay, yeah, just Yeah, and there it is. So time to open it. Oh, this is nice. This is really cool. So yeah, this is the brush. Spatula 1. Spatula 2. Now the next thing I will be unboxing is the utensil holder. Okay, so I'm just going to get the wrap off. Yeah, so what is a brush set without a holder? So you actually need this spatula holder to hold your everything. And oh, I actually had one. I've always had this white one, and now I have two. Okay, so the next, which is the heaviest on the list and the last, this is the Creuset Cast Iron Pot, which also doubles as a Dutch oven. You can bake anything in it. Let me let you in on a little secret. Come closer, come closer. I have to whisper. This right here is the holy grail of pots. The holy grail of pots. I mean, if you don't have a Creuset pot, what are you waiting for? Okay, so let me unwrap this to show you what it looks like. And yeah, this is it. This is what it looks like. It's actually orange in color. The pack is orange, and I think the pot within would also be orange. This is so cool. It's heavy, so heavy, like really heavy. You can't drop this anywhere. You just destroy whatever it drops on. Okay, so yeah, this is the lid. I'm just trying to be careful with this. And let me open that. Oh, it has a manual in it. And this is what the manual looks like too. Just like the pan and the rest, they all have manuals in them. Now it's time to cook up a storm. And now the pot. This is heavy. So heavy. Thank you so much, Creuset. This is amazing. I really love the collection, and it will be with me for a very long time. I can't wait to start using it. Till next time, bye-bye.